All right, so we're going to use Nicole as an example again. It can mean any Nicole, it doesn't have to be a specific Nicole. But let's say Nicole's feeling better now. You're feeling better now. Understand? Now, not at the time. At the time, you were in full panic mode. You literally thought the devil was behind you. It's like Earth, right? The Earth thinks the devil's real, God is real. That's what you look like. You go to where you feel comfortable. If you feel comfortable on Earth, guess what? Take a wild guess. Because you think exactly like it. Understand? You go where you're comfortable. I don't go to parties. Understand? Those are some awkward teenagers. I don't go there. They're weird. They do bad stuff. I'm more comfortable on my own, not because I'm shy. I'm just more comfortable on my own because I feel safer there. Nicole feels more comfortable on Earth. An illusion, a delusion. Understand? Your whole story is all of your actions. That's your entire story. Where you go to college, who your friends are, everything. It tells everything about your brain development. So, okay, let's say Nicole's feeling better now. And she's like, oh, it was just embarrassment. There's no big deal. Which is good. Right? You're feeling better. That's good. We want to see that. That's what you were supposed to think. But you weren't thinking that at the time. You thought the devil was behind you. We want you to feel that way. To feel better, to go, oh, it's just embarrassment. You're doing better. You don't need medical treatment. But for what you were going through just yesterday, feeling I don't feel normal, and to feel more normal through exercises that I provided, that is a rapid change. So put Nicole aside, for psychologists and professors who study it, she went from yesterday not feeling normal, which is very real. Words explain. Words explain. She said, I don't feel normal, to doing exercises this very moment. She summarized it to, it was just an embarrassment, which we all knew. That's exactly what it is. Not for her at the time. For her, it was full panic mode. Full Down syndrome. Full severe shyness. It was full on. How did the brain go from infantile to maturity that fast? Understand? This is for physics too. How did that happen? There is no way I can learn an animation program, software, within minutes. Understand? There's no way for me to do that. There's no way for me to comprehend this within minutes. It takes days, weeks to comprehend this. How the heck did the brain understand all of that within minutes? That's for you to question and try to figure out. How did Nicole go from I don't feel normal yesterday to a few exercises, precise exercises, and now she understands it? I was just embarrassed. How did it go that fast? It doesn't make sense. Of course it makes sense in physics, but it doesn't make sense. When you drink water, it takes time for the water to go to the brain and the rest of the body. It takes time. Physically. Is the brain doing something non-physical that we don't know about? Does memory behave the same way? Alright? That's what I'm on right now. Not Nicole and stuff. I can solve that. I can solve shyness. That's all it is. It's just shyness. Right? It takes a long time, but you work it out. Why is the brain so fast? It's not working on something physical. Like something physical is not working on something physical. It's behaving in quantum. And when you code the right codes, it organizes itself. Of course we know that. Why so fast? My conclusion is it's not working on the physical plane. The only way to work that fast is to be working in superposition, in quantum realms.